Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, why am I not making more money? You're working hard, putting in the hours, but your income stays the same. What if I told you the problem isn't just your job, but how you unlock your true earning potential? Today, I'm breaking down the secrets to making more money, increasing your value, and building wealth the smart way. Welcome to Your Power to Become, where purpose blossoms into wealth. I'm Lady Rose, and in this video, I'm going to share some powerful strategies to help you make more money. Let's dig in. We'll uncover why your income is limited right now, the three-step formula to increasing your value and income, practical real-world examples to apply these strategies today. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap on how to make more money. Most people believe they're stuck at their current income because of their job or the economy. But the truth is, your income is a direct reflection of two things: your skills and the value you provide. Here's the simple formula. If your income is low, it's either because 1. Your skill level isn't high enough, 2. The skill you have isn't in high demand, 3. You're not leveraging the skill effectively. So, how do we fix this? Let's talk about it. The three-step formula to increasing your income. Step 1: upgrade your skills. Think of your skills like an iPhone. The newer the model, the more valuable it is. If you're operating like an iPhone 6 in an iPhone 15 world, you can't expect premium pay. So here's how to upgrade. Learn a high income skill like digital marketing, coding, investing, or sales. Invest in courses, books, and mentors. Free YouTube videos can only take you so far. Get hands on experience by freelancing, volunteering, or starting a side hustle. Example: let's say you're a cashier making $12 an hour. If you learn sales skills and transition into a sales job, your income can jump to $60,000 per year just by upgrading your skills. Step 2: increase your value in the marketplace. Money flows to value, not just effort. If you want to get paid more, you need to become more valuable to employers, clients, or your business. Here's how. Solve bigger problems. Companies pay higher salaries for people who fix expensive problems. Brand yourself as an expert. Start sharing your knowledge on LinkedIn, YouTube, or a blog. Network strategically. Most high paying jobs or opportunities come through connections, not job boards. Example: imagine two graphic designers. One charges $500 per project and the other charges $5,000. What's the difference? The second designer has built authority, solved bigger problems, and positioned themselves as a premium expert. That's how you 10x your income. Step 3: multiply your income streams. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Relying on one paycheck is risky. Here's 3 ways you can upscale your income. Monetize your knowledge. Create an online course, write an ebook, or start a paid newsletter. 2. Start a side hustle. Freelance, start an e-commerce store, or offer a service on Fiverr or Upwork. 3. Invest wisely. Use part of your income to invest in stocks, real estate, or a small business. Let's say you work a 9 to 5, making 50,000 a year. If you start a side hustle that brings an extra $1,000 a month, that's an additional $12,000 per year without quitting your job. If you invest that wisely, you can build wealth much faster. Now that you know the three-step formula to increasing your income, here are the action steps. 1. Choose one high income skill to start learning. 2. Find ways to increase your value, solve bigger problems, and brand yourself. 3. Start building at least one new income stream this month. If you have found value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comment below which strategy you're going to start today. This has been Lady Rose from Your Power to Become, where purpose blossoms into wealth. See you in the next one.